wonderful enough to agree to come back, will you in this next year have been net investors of capital or net sellers and returners of capital? Starting with you, Peter.
I think I already answered that in that we kind of allow the market to tell us, but as an indication, 2013, we were net buyers on a global basis, but here in North America, we were net sellers. We feel that the pricing in general for a core product, from our perspective again, is overpriced, and so we'd be net sellers.
In the core space, we would be net buyers by a pretty good margin because we have a lot of legacy holdings and non-core holdings. I think if you factor all the secondary, tertiary markets in, we'll be at about we'll be in balance.
Okay.
So we'll be net buyers. We'll buy $3 billion, sell $1 billion. And the question is what keeps you up at night. I think for us, we stare at 13 and 14, and we try and connect it back to the mid-2000s. So does 2014 feel like 2005? If it did, what do you do? If it's 2006, then maybe it takes some actions.
And if it's 2007, it's too late.
Then it's probably too late. So you try to make some judgments about where you are, where the market is going, so sort of connect it back to an investment strategy. And I think if you sort of bundle it all together, our house view, if there is one, is that 14 is going to be an active year. This is not the year where you sort of call the market and step to the sidelines and wait for it to change in the next 6 months.
Iman?
I would say that what we're seeing from our managers, first of all, let me say it this way. So we have a diversified portfolio. It's diversified in terms of vintage year. So we see a lot of different things in the portfolio in terms of what our managers are doing. We do have some managers that we invested with that are in vintage, kind of like 09 funds, and got into the market at the early signs of recovery. And actually the frothiness of the market has kind of accelerated a lot of those exit plans. So we do see them exiting, and then we do see them continuing to buy because there's other circumstances of distress that they can take advantage of. So it's probably more coming.
Andrew, you get the last word.
We will be net buyers, I think just generally based on our growth profile, but we will selectively sell as well. So there'll be some activity on both sides.
Great. Well.